I'm balance my work and my home routine, and I'm balanced like that. I'm working and other things like that. Okay, now I'm back to home and I take some biscuits and other eats items. I am taking my meal with a best vibe of airs and natures. Take a shower and a bath fully and change my clothes other health and make a best fragrance and make namaz and Quran. And this is my day of my done, and I'm sleep to it and I'm wake up and I make my tea and this is like a bonfire. And I'm again going to my workout and come in my home and my room. The natures of beauty. This is fresh. This is lose my stress. And take a self-care, so much important your self-care and fragrance is so much important to make unique and healthy and fresh mind. Mean yes, recite a Durute Park is so much important and make a namaz is